Hello guys, today I will be doing an unboxing of some products that I got from Amazon yesterday. Um, I just bought some products that I actually needed, so it's not going to be a big deal. I tried Amazon Locker for the first time. It was pretty good. The only reason I tried Amazon Locker, I didn't know when they were going to actually come and deliver because they always say before 9. So I didn't want them to deliver to my job. And I didn't want them to actually come to my house and try to deliver it. And I wasn't going to be there because they was going to either leave it at the front door or they were going to try to send it to my apartment's office. So I just thought I should use an Amazon Locker. The Amazon Locker was pretty good. It wasn't bad at all. They sent me, well, I ordered the products probably before I went to work, which is probably 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 4, 7, or 8 o'clock. And they got delivered around 8 or 7:40 something or 8 o'clock or whatever. They sent me an email saying that the products were delivered and they had a barcode. All I had to do was actually put the barcode in the actual locker or scan it. It wouldn't allow me to scan it, I guess, because the actual rain was somewhat over there and it was fogging up the screen. The only thing I can actually say is they had my package all the way at the top, and I'm not that tall, and I had to kind of get on my tippy toes to actually get the top locker package. But overall, it was pretty good, simple. A kid can actually do it on the locker. But yeah, let's get to the unboxing. And shout out to FTW6. They are the ones who packaged this item from Amazon. Right? So let's get into the unboxing. I don't know, I like unboxing stuff. It just reminds me of being a kid on Christmas Day. So I enjoy unboxing things even though I know what I will be getting. I don't want to cut myself. I had a bad experience with scissors like a month ago. I actually cut myself and I think I messed up one of my nerves on my fingertips. So yeah, the packaging is pretty good. I got a tripod. I didn't really think it was a big deal, but I just got one. I had one like a year or two ago, but I ended up having it get lost or whatever with my actual car or whatever when I took my car back, and I can't recall if I actually left it in the car or where I put it. So I got a tripod. I guess it's a no-name brand, Digi 50-inch tripod. It costs $11.99. They said it was supposed to actually come with the tripod mount and the actual bag. I'm not really worried about the bag. I just want basically the mount of what I already have one. So yeah, hopefully it comes with everything that it says it comes with at this actual company. Hopefully they package it well, whatever. I'm big on packaging. Guess my scissors messed up the box, so yeah. Put that to the side. Yeah, if I did not mention, this item was $11.99. You can get them a little bit cheaper if you want to wait on Amazon. And if you have Amazon Prime, you can get it for a little bit cheaper, probably $10 or whatever, or $9. But the ones I also had one before as well. like probably a week or two, but I gave it to my girlfriend that I got from Fry's. It only came with a tripod and the bag. It didn't come with a mount. So you can get it for Fry's if you're not looking for a mount. Wow. Put that to the side. And I got SD card 256 gigabyte that I was needing as well. I'm familiar with the actual brand Samsung Evo Plus. I usually get Samsung. I don't really prefer dealing with SanDisk, but I will. They're basically the same, but I'm sure I know how this is gonna work. Hopefully I know it's gonna work. Hopefully they didn't actually give me kind of messed up China SD card that's basically misleading and it's not the right space. Probably gonna have an 8 gigabyte space, but yeah, hopefully it's the correct Samsung. It was $71 for Prime. They had one cheaper, but it didn't have no reviews on it, so I just wanted to get something that had the reviews and was a so-called real thing. I'm about to put this one in now my phone and actually transfer it over, which is probably gonna take all day. I do have a 128 gigabyte SD card and I don't have a computer that's working, so yeah, it's probably gonna take all day for me to send all this information over to this SD card. So yeah, that's it on my unboxing. Hopefully you guys like the video and hopefully you guys are having a good day as well. It's the 22nd of September and it's raining outside. It's actually flooding my area, so hopefully everybody is safe. Don't try to drive in the rain like I tried to yesterday. My car almost went to the side because it was flooding or whatever, but it was pretty bad. I only went outside because I needed to pick up these items. So yeah, hopefully everybody is having a productive morning thus far. 1 o'clock in the AM morning. Have a great day, you guys.